Hi everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of some protein powder from Form. So it's 2026 and I wanted to explore a new protein powder. This is 520 grams, which is meant to be 13 servings. The delivery was pretty quick. It came within a couple of days. I can understand, packaging is sort of a bit complicated, but I mean, that's just a bit silly. They probably could have had a much smaller box. They've got like a little card for just saying thanks for ordering, a code for referring friends, which I'll definitely be sharing. I'll be sharing in the link description, and it's basically just covering things like who they are, which I think is like a nice, professional introduction. It also gives like some recipes, which is quite nice. So this is the protein powder. So I decided to go for tiramisu. And I think what I really liked about this is that it was vegan. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, and it's also soy-free, and also comes with compostable packaging. Now let's give it a try. So I will be using this with Plenish milk. I really like Plenish milk because I think it's the healthiest you can get, because it's literally just 3 ingredients. I will measure 300 milliliters of milk, mix 40 grams, approximately 2 tablespoons. Just looking at the packaging for a second, I think it's nice and minimalist. Never really too fussed about packaging, but I think it is important that companies have the right branding and the right identity with their packaging. And I like it, it's quite simple. I think this flavor was tiramisu, and I think it would have been nice to have actually tiramisu on here. I think looking at their other products, they've gone for sort of nature, and I think that's to sort of communicate being natural, but actually I think it would be nice just to have tiramisu on here. I know that the market with protein powder is very inflated, and you've got lots of different designs out there, so I think they're trying to stand out with their own design, but I think they could just go a bit simpler. I mean, I would just like to have tiramisu to sort of get me excited and look forward to this. Don't think there is a scooper in here. So I've got a 1 tablespoon measurements. The colour looks quite nice. It's looking smooth. So I really like my protein shakes smooth. I really don't like grainy textures. Okay, and now for the taste test, which is the most important thing. So taste is good. It's pretty smooth. It's not completely smooth. It definitely is smoother than others I've tried. And taste is probably on the weaker side. It's not particularly strong. So one thing I wanted to try is using less milk. So I used 200 milliliters of milk this time, and with the powder it goes up to about 225, maybe 250. So yeah, let's give that a go. I've given it a good mix, and I've also blended it. So let's do the taste test. So the flavor is definitely stronger. And actually I think I do like it more. I've just been for an 8.5K run in Bristol. It's been quite cold tonight, and I wanted to get some protein, and I think with 200 milliliters of milk, it tastes much better. I think maybe that's more just personal preference. I think 300 is not strong enough. 200 seems to be much better. It's not 100% smooth, but it definitely is smoother than other protein powders I've tasted. So actually, I'd probably give it now a 4 out of 5. And I'd probably just recommend for people that if you really like maybe sweetness and you like strong flavor, just use 200 milliliters of milk rather than 300.